everybody, it's Ramona. I am here to share with you 3 more projects for KSCRAFT'S design team. I had ordered a bunch of ephemera from him, oh God, probably about a month and a half ago, and I'm just now getting around to making some projects out of them. And I shared 3 with you last week, and I'm going to go ahead and show 3 with you this week. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. We will go ahead and start on this one right here. This is the Swan. I've used the Swan last week, but I'm so crazy about the Swans. There were 2 swans in the package, and I wanted to use both of them. So yeah, I did go ahead and design this card, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all of the packages when I'm done here, because I did go ahead and mix and match some of the projects because I liked them so much, and yeah, I usually do that with my designs anyway. So this was different for me. I used 4 different packages, and I will go ahead and link them down below of ephemera. Okay, so I was trying to see, guys, the Big Swan, what package the Big Swan came in, and you know, I stuck these in here and I forgot to mark it. Here it is. Okay, so this is the Big Swan package here. And the Big Swan, if you're interested in just ordering that one, it comes in the Rosie's studio. It's in Rosie's studio. It'll be listed down below. Okay, and this is everything that you get in that one. So I used the word stories. I double backed the word wonderful. So there are 2 actual layers of wonderful. But here's the story die, and you'll see like the award that I placed here. And so mostly everything, here's the butterfly. So mostly everything on here is in this package. Okay. I got this in on Friday. I did use this frame set. I used this one and this one, and it's kind of hard to see, but you can see them in here. I went ahead and cut those out in rose gold foil. Okay, I will shortly do a video on how to make your bows. Okay, I just learned how to do that the other day, and I'm thrilled to death. Look how good they turn out. And the little heart comes from Joann's, and let's see, the little ruffle ribbon here is from Daiso, and then I backed it up with this bling from Daiso. I kind of like the bling effect that gives. And then these 2 flowers are actually from the Sunny Days Maggie Holmes collection. Okay, so there is that one. I am so thrilled. And this ribbon is from Michael's. I went ahead and put 1 row of ribbon on the side. So I'm really happy with how that one turned out. There are so many layers on this, guys. I think the Swan is up 5 layers, if that'll tell you how many layers down below it goes. Okay, so here's that one. And this die, I will go ahead and link that down below. All right. So we have that one. Let me get this die out of the way so it doesn't fall on the floor. And then I have, this was my first time that I ever made a rosette. I've never made a rosette before. This was my first try at it, and I think it kind of turned out cute. I got these big fat straws from the 99-cent store, and I glued 2 of them together. There's a straw inside of it, gluing them all together. I cut this out with a Martha Stewart punch because at the time that I made that, I didn't have any other dies from KSCRAFT'S. And then we have another flower from the Maggie Holmes Sunny Days collection. Okay, so this one, I'm trying to see. This is one where you're going to find some products that have been mixed together. Okay, so I won't have everything to show you here. I can just like show you that the bow, the gold bow is here that I used. Here's the carousel horse. What else from in here did I use? That's all that I see from that. I don't see this. Oh, I used the Ferris wheel as well. So the only thing that I did not use in this collection is this little Carnival kind of tent right here. And it came out of one of the other 4 packages that I have laying here. I'm trying to see. So, yeah, this will be under bits and pieces. So you'll see that under bits and pieces in the description box. This one right here will be under hello. Okay, it'll be under Judy, Karen, hello. And I can't remember what I used out of this. I'm sitting here looking, did I use a flag? I'm not sure. It's because I kind of mixed and matched. But when you click on the links down below, it will take you to that particular package, and it will show you everything that's in the package. He has it, the owner of KSCRAFT'S has it laid out so well that you'll be able to see exactly, you know, everything that's in there. If you like the bird or, you know, the carousel horse. But I thought this turned out super cute, guys. That was my first one, my first attempt at one, and it worked. It actually worked, and I backed it up with some bling paper here. Okay, so the only one that we have left is this one right here. This is a tag, okay? And I used this tag set right here from KSCRAFT'S. I got this in on Friday as well. And most of the items for this one will come out of the Rosa Studio, and it's called Flourish, okay? And then there's a couple of items that will come out of the Glass House, Rosa Studio's Glass House. Okay, so I did use a little swan on there, if you can see. I put some little feathers, and I did a little rosette. I put some trim from Joann's. They have this little cute pom-pom trim, and I love this little bow. It's so stinking cute. But yeah, and I did a mini rosette there, and magical. That'll tell you it comes out of the package, this package right here that says, and this one actually will be under Rosa Studio Magic. Okay, so yeah, guys, I hope that you like these, and I hope it's inspired you, and I will do a video on how I do these bows. Okay, so there are, I don't know if I can't even see what I've got in frame. It's not even showing me on my cell phone that I have right here. So yeah, there are the 3 projects, and thank you for joining me. Hop on over to KSCRAFT'S store. You'll find lots and lots of great ephemera over there. Talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.